Alright, so we are back on the community drive. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here on another community drive. So we are here in the Arlene's Garden community. We're on Arlene Avenue to be exact, and that's what we're taking a look at today. So we're starting the drive in the Arlene's Garden. And I know you guys are going to highlight the road. I don't have to ask, but yes, the roads on this avenue is very bad. I know they're doing some work on some of the roads in and around this area, but I think they're mostly focusing on the more busier ones, because this road leads to a cul-de-sac. So, you know, it's mainly who lives in here may drive on it, and not necessarily a drive-through road. But Arlene Gardens, that's where we are. If you're new to the channel, guys, if you've watched a few videos before and the subscribe button is still red, turn it gray and be a part of the family. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share as well. So it's another community drive. So in this community, it's a mixture of 4 bedrooms. Alright, so that right turn leads to Dennis Avenue. So this leads to a dead end, but they can also take a... Alright guys, so this video and the channel, Raymore Reviews, is sponsored by Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited. So whatever your loan needs are, give them a check. So right now I'm on their website, krisandcharles.com. So that's KRISANCHARLES.com. Check them out. So they have all different type of loan: auto loan, EduPath loan, personal loan, house deposit loan, micro business loan, credit card refinancing, general expense, debt consolidation. So whatever the need is, guys, you definitely check them. You may not need a loan, but a friend or family may need it, so give them a referral, guys. So they have partnered with the channel, they have sponsored this video. They are showing the channel some love because of the awesome work we're doing, and we just showcase in Jamaica. So show them back some love. Follow them. Instagram will be in the link, Facebook will be in the link. Show them some love. Right turn back onto Farewell Avenue. So as I was saying, houses in this community is like 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, and prices starts anywhere like 25 million Jamaican dollars going up. And I think even some houses are 6, 7 bedrooms as well. So right here is a little open apartment. It's called Dennis Court, right off Dennis Avenue. Alright guys, so remember to leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this community. And as usual, if you have ever lived in this community before, if you're living in this community, if you grew up in this community, just let me know. Alright, so we'll now take the right and go down on Farewell Avenue. Which leads us back onto Mullines Road. So it's a mini road trip today / community drive. And I'm always showcasing you guys different communities across Kingston, across Jamaica. You know, I think I saw a comment the other day that, you know, someone said, you know, they can always look forward to the channel to seeing some communities that they have never been. You know, and they really appreciate that. And I know sometimes it's not that we don't want to travel everywhere, but we may not have the time. You know, but in 8 minutes, in 10 minutes, you guys are able to, you know, see a whole different community. And I'm happy that I can showcase that to you guys. Alright, so some nice homes in here. Some older type homes as well. Some big yard spaces. Alright, so now we're finishing Farewell Avenue and we'll enter Mullines Road, which is where we started the video as well. So we're back on Mullines Road and we can see some some views of the hill, you know, Red Hills, Queen Hill, up that side. That's Miracle Temple Ministries right here on the left. Alright, and now we'll take this left turn. So ironically, right here is also Malines Road. So it's kind of weird, but Malines Road, and I think I made a mistake once. Malines Road branch off right here. So we're on Malines Road. While if you had continued up the road, it would have been Short and Drive. So Short and Drive runs all the way up to close to Queensboro. While this right here that we're on is Malines Road, and then Malines Road continue back up at Queensboro. So it's kind of weird, but yeah. So this will lead to Kenhill Drive. So that's where we're ending the video today, in the Kenhill Drive community. So I'm just showing you guys the connection and interconnection between these communities as well. So we'll be taking this left turn that's coming up onto Kenhill Drive, which is basically also Pembroke Hall, and then Malines Road continue around that corner into Queensberry. So you just saw that sign, welcome to Pembroke Hall. So Pembroke Hall now is a neighboring community to Malines, to Arlene Gardens, Valentine's Gardens, the whole works. So this is a community with smaller type homes, smaller type lots, and then a few mixture of apartment complexes. So again guys, Pembroke Hall, if you ever grew up in this area, live in this area, still living in this area, let me know. We have an apartment on the right going up right now. Let me give you guys a little glimpse. So that's complete, that's going up right now as we speak. It looks like 2 floors with a balcony on the 3rd floor. A very good use of space though, because I know the lots in this community is very small, but they're able to get a apartment out of it. Alright guys, so we started on Malines Road. Now we're on Kenhill Drive in the Pembroke Hall community. So continue to enjoy the drive. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. Share, like. And thanks for watching.